Welcome to our next episode of the Thought on Education. So today our guest is Mr. Prakash Nair, who is the director of the Lourdes Matha Institute of the Hotel Management and Catering Technology. So he worked more than 37 years in the hospitality industry across various locations and has worked in the many hotel chains such as the Ashok Group of the Hotel, Taj Group of Hotel, Palace and Resorts, and has managed as a general manager of the hotel such as the Taj Residency Aurangabad, Taj Residency Nashik, Taj Residency Lucknow, Taj Residency Cochin, Vivanta by the Taj Malabar Cochin, the Gateway Hotel Madurai, and the Gateway Hotel Marine Drive uh, in Innukulam. Mr. Prakash Nair hold a BSc degree in the chemistry and post graduation in the hotel administration and management from the Austria. Post diploma in the teacher training and also certified hospitality educator from the American Hotel and Motel Association in 2000. Mr. Prakash Nair has held various honorable positions in the industry such as the Vice President of the Kerala Travel Mart Society and Vice President of the Association of the Approval Classified Hotel of the Kerala. Mr. Prakash Nair what is the what what is the hotel management operation and the human resource development with the special emphasis of the learning and development. He was also member of the board of the study for the hotel management and catering technology at the University of the Calicut. So, sir, welcome for the accepting the invitation for the thought on education. And sir, now we say anything you want to say.
Good morning, viewers. Good morning to the students. Good morning to the parents, and good morning to Pathik.
Yes,
I would like to take this opportunity to thank College Dunia for doing such a wonderful program and educating the students and the parents on the various aspects of hospitality management education, hotel management courses, and also the various opportunities available in the hospitality industry, which is a very highly human-oriented industry. And I would like to specifically thank College Dunia for taking this effort and inviting me to address the future generation of the hospitality industry. Thank you.
okay. So, sir, we are going to start now. So, you have held key position in the education institute. Along with that, you got exposure from the industry, sir, in your professional career. So, what are the key factors that you keep you connected with the education sector after the exploring the professional career, sir?
I always had a passion for teaching and developing human resource. Now, for that, I think one of the most important factor for any industry, especially be it hospitality industry, be it engineering industry, be it the medicine, etc. I sincerely believe that you need to have solid educational experience backed by very solid operational experience so that you understand what the operations requirements are. You also understand what exactly the hospitality industry expects from the future generation of the students. I have 37 years of experience. It is not that I have been an educator throughout my life. I have 37 years of experience, out of which almost about 17 to 18 years is as an educator, as a learning and development manager, and human resources person. Whereas I have equally almost about 17 to 18 years of experience in the operation, handling various hotels as general manager for a reputed hotel chain like Indian Hotel Company Limited, the Taj Group of Hotels, and as well as other hotel chains like the Ashok Group of Hotels and the Ministry of Tourism, Government of India. See, what has connected me to the educational field is my passion to develop human resources, my passion to make sure that the future generation of the tourism and hospitality industry are geared for what is required by the industry, and bring back my experience as a operating general manager into the field of education.
Yes, sir. So being the director of Lourdes Matha Institute of the Hotel Management and Catering Technology, what is your philosophy of the leadership, and how would you describe your leadership style?
I have always been not only in the team. I would like to take the team along, be the leader of the team, lead from the front, and make sure that whatever goals and objectives that you want to achieve in the institute or in the hotel or wherever organized, whichever organization that you are working, you take the team together, motivate the team members to make sure that they perform their best, they put their best foot forward and attain the objectives in a very precise and timely manner. So my style of leadership is always a participative style of leadership. I would like to take the team along with me, and I would like to be the leader. That more than a manager, I would like to be a leader and lead the team as a whole in achieving the objective.
Yes, sir. Now, sir, being the director of the Lourdes Mata Institute of the Hotel Management and Catering Technology, how do you strategize about the key programs and plan for the marketing and administration of your institute, sir?
Lourdes Mata Institute of Hotel Management Catering Technology has been there in Kutichal, Trivandrum for the past 17 years. This is the 17th year of operation. This institution has been under the Lourdes Mata Catering and Educational Society, an independent society registered under the Travancore Societies. One of the biggest factors that I have seen is that the institute, though it has been in existence for the past 17 years, it has not been marketed properly, and the knowledge of the students and the parents about this institute is limited to Kerala and specifically to certain areas of Kerala and other parts of southern India. I would, over the last 2 years, this institute has been taken over by the Archdiocese of Changanasheri under the patronship of the Archbishop of Changanasheri, and with Reverend Mar Thomas Tarai, Auxiliary Bishop of Changanasheri, as the chairman of the institute, with eminent educationalists like Father Tommy, Father Sony Mundunadekil, Reverend Father Tommy, Reverend Father Tommy Mundunadekil, Sony Mundunadekil, Reverend Father Avis, Reverend Father Nambi Madam, are the leaders from the Archbishop of, from the Archdiocese of Changanasheri, and with their guidance and leadership, we would like to take this institute to the next level. In the coming years, this institute should be known as one of the best institutes, not only in Kerala, but also in the entire South India, and an institute of international repute.
So, how does the curriculum of the Lourdes Mata Institute of the Hotel Management and the Catering Technology ensure that best practice of the industry?
The curriculum of Lourdes Mata Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology is based on the requirement of the industry and also the requirement of the students. This is a curriculum that has been developed by the University of Kerala, to which the Lourdes Mata Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology is affiliated to, and also with the approval of All India Council for Technical Education, AICTE. Currently, the curriculum is both theoretical as well as practical oriented to equip the students to meet the challenges of the hospitality industry and become a leader of future of hospitality industry. There is a lot of emphasis on skill development, there is a lot of emphasis on attitudinal development, and there is a lot of emphasis on knowledge development. Both skill, knowledge, and attitude, all three are taken equal importance in developing the student into a 100% professional hospitality professional through the curriculum of the Lourdes Mata Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology.
So, any insight into how your institute could be the more welcoming to the students of the different races and economic background?
Our institute, as I said, has been an institute which has got a lot of local community as the students, but the institute is planning to open up. We are in the process of constructing a large complex. It will be a twin building complex, and it will welcome students from all over India and all over the world. Our institute plans to make sure that we tie up with Association of Indian Universities, and we also plan to tie up with National Council for Hotel Management and Catering Technology so that we get students through the joint entrance examination of hotel management, and we get students not only from Kerala but also from all parts of India as well as abroad. We wanted to enhance the development of the institute into an international institute of repute.
So, sir, what do you think your role and responsibility to the Lourdes Matha Institute of the Hotel Management and Catering Technology and the students are?
Almost about a year back, I have been contacted by the representative of the Archbishop of Archdiocese of Changanasheri while I was working at the Taj itself. I was told that the Lourdes Matha Institute is looking for somebody as senior as me, who has more than 37 years of experience, both in the industry as well as in the educational sector, to head the institute and lead the institute into the next level. They wanted to develop the institute not only as an institute which is limited to Kerala, but also as an institute of national and international repute. My role as the director of Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Lourdes Matha at Kuttichal, Thiruvananthapuram, is to lead the institute into and develop the curriculum, develop the seminars, develop organizational participation, industry participation, invite industry leaders for speaking to the students of their experience and enhancing the experience of the students to make sure that the students learn and understand what is expected of them by the industry. I would like to develop the institute into a next level institute and get it affiliated to various bodies in India as well as abroad, and make sure that the institute is developed into an international institute of repute.
Okay, sir. So, sir, next question: what do you think should be the institute's top priority over the next 10 years?
Over the next 10 years, we would like to ensure that the institute is marketed to the entire world, the whole of the world, in Kerala, in India, and abroad. The institute should be known. Institute already has a very reputed alumni over the past 17 years who has been working in the hospitality industry and has attained very senior positions in the hospitality industry. We would like to leverage the experience of our alumni also, and in the next 10 years, we would construct our next campus, affiliate to National Council for Hotel Management in developing, open up other various courses. Like this year, we have opened the Bachelor of Vocational Studies in Food Processing. Such courses, craft level courses, post-diploma courses, and make sure that the institute develops into a complete institute of excellence in hospitality education.
So, when you first came to the Lourdes Matha Institute of the Hotel Management Catering Technology, what was your vision for the institute, sir?
As I told you earlier, I have been contacted by the Archdiocese of Changanasheri, and with the help of the leaders of the Changanasheri Archdiocese, I have been asked to make sure that the institute is developed into the next level, enhance the curriculum, enhance the educational experience of the students, enhance the campus environment, enlighten the students with webinars, with seminars, with industry participation, enhance the employability of the students, make sure that with my contact, I get in a lot of organizations, both in India as well as abroad, to come in for campus recruitment and placement. Our students are placed all over the world. With currently itself, the institute has got a very reputed placement cell. It hotel chains like Taj, Oberoi's, ITC Welcome Group, and international hotel chains like Hyatt, Holiday Inn, Marriott, Crown Plaza, um,
Yes, sir.
and other hospitality organizations such as fast food chains like Domino's Pizza, Pizza Hut, uh, McDonald's, and other fast food chains, cruise liners, etc. Already they are recruiting our students from the institute. We have to enhance the placement. We have to make sure that all 100% placement is guaranteed to the students who are the students of the Lourdes Mata Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology. It is an international repute. We have to make sure that the basic standards of education goes up. The students come out with learning experience and with a lot of inputs on managerial stuff, they will become the future general managers of the hospitality industry.
Yeah. So, sir, what would you like to people to know about your institute and they may not know?
As I said, our institute has been in existence over the past 17 years but has not been marketed properly. This is an institute of repute and has very reputed alumni who is working all over the world. We have very good academic record, and our students have been placed in various high positions in academically as well as practically in the industry. Our institute has got excellent facilities in terms of laboratories such as the basic training kitchen, basic training restaurant, quantity food kitchen, quantity food restaurant, advanced training kitchen, advanced restaurant, bakery and confectionery, housekeeping laboratory, front office laboratory, maintenance laboratory, everything. And it has got a fantastic hostel facilities. Most of the students will be able to be accommodated in the hostel, whether they are from Kerala, they are from India, or they are from abroad. The facilities of the hostel is one of the best in the world, and we make sure that the students are catered and they are nurtured and trained with individual teachers, developing the role of not only that of a teacher, but also the role of a counselor and mentor, and having mentoring the group of students to become expert hospitality professionals. This is something which I would like the world to know, that there is an institute called Lourdes Mata Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Kuttichal, Tiruvandhuram, that exists, which is one of the best institutes in Kerala, and which is one of the best institutes, which is going to be one of the best institutes in nationally and internationally, with the development of the facilities and infrastructure, and with the state-of-art infrastructure and state-of-art equipment that is being planned for the institute.
Yes, sir. So, sir, what do you see as a Lourdes Mata Institute of the Hotel Management and Catering Technology as a greatest strength?
The greatest strength of our institute, I would say, is our faculty members. We have a very dedicated and sincere principal, Mr. Ranjit Pillai, who has a tremendous experience both in the educational field as well as in the industry. We have very experienced teachers who are qualified with MBA and PhD. We have Mr. Joji Paul as head of department, Mr. Ajit, senior faculty member, Dr. Suni Mary Verghese, who is a PhD in food processing, food science, and she heads the food science department. We have Mr. Shibu, we have Mr. Liju Shankar, we have Mr. Jabba Mohan David, we have Mr. Dinesh Kumar. We have all the faculty members who are regular permanent faculty members who are dedicated, sincere, hardworking, and they impart knowledge. They develop attitude for the students. They work as mentors, counselors, and Mr. Akhil Manohar, one of our faculty member, also doubles up as the hostel warden and helps Father Nambi Madam to run the hostel in a befitting manner. We have a fantastic library with more than 7,000 titles of food related, food hospitality related books and journals. We have fantastic computer facilities for students to learn from the e-journals and e-books. So this is something, the strength of the institute is its infrastructure and its faculty members.
So what are some of the biggest challenge you see both for the higher education in general and for the Lut Mata Institute of the Hotel Management and Catering Technology specifically, sir?
It is not really the challenge only for Lourdes Mada Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, but any institutes of hotel management in the country, as well as the hospitality organization and professionals are facing this problem of the pandemic of COVID. Now we have to ensure the safety and security of our students, our faculty members, our parents should not be worried. We have to ensure that we develop a balance between online education and offline education. We have to make sure that we develop online modules for our students to practice and learn. We have to develop videos, online videos, and train the various skills where even the students can learn both online and offline. Going forward, we have to live with COVID, and we have to make sure that our educational institution is completely transformed to gear up to face the challenges of the future generations of hospitality professionals, both online and through online and offline media, and make sure that our technology is developed to ensure that every student gets what is required for a hospitality professional to know both theoretically and practically, both in the aspects of skills, knowledge, and attitude development.
Yes, sir. Yes, so any suggestion you would like to give the current youth and aspiring the students?
Let me explain this from my experience. I have started my career about 37 years back, and I have worked through the various levels in the hotel industry as well as in the hospitality education field. I have started my career as a chef, working with great chefs like Chef Sanjeev Kapoor, Chef Milind Sawani, etc. And I have worked in industries like Ashok Group of Hotels and Taj Group of Hotels. I have got a scholarship to do my master's in Austria, and I have completed my master's. And after completing the master's, I have worked with the Ministry of Tourism, Government of India, and I have worked in various positions, various places. I have taught in the prestigious Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology and Applied Nutrition, Bombay, as a senior faculty member. I was one of the founders of Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Kovalam, Tirunelveli, an institute under the aegis of the Ministry of Tourism, Government of India. I was also the principal of Institute of Hotel Management, Aurangabad, run by a international reputed institute run by the Taj Group of Hotels, and I have also operational experience. Now, one of the most important aspects that I see as a message for the students is there is no substitute for hard work. I have been working in the industry for the past 37 years, and even at the day that I retired from the industry, I worked for about 10 to 12 hours. So in the beginning stages, I have been working for 12 to 13 hours in the industry. You have to put in yourself completely dedicated. Please understand, when you are working in the hospitality industry, your aim is to ensure that your guests are dazzled and delighted. Your guests are dazzled and delighted, and they enjoy the hospitality when there is holidays. So holidays are the days that you work the most rather than other industries. Unlike other industries, you will have to work harder, and you will have to make sure that you dedicate your time and effort in putting your best foot forward in whatever that you do. You have to work in all levels. There is no menial job in the hospitality industry. You have to work from all levels. You have to do your hard working, and you have to rise up ladder by ladder and reach. And I am sure that every student who is aspiring to become a hospitality professional will learn the basics in the institute, will apply the basics in the industry, and develop into future general managers and senior members of the hospitality industry soon.
So, sir, how do you tend to establish the healthy relation and environment in your institute, sir?
We have a very cordial relationship with the industry. We call the with me coming in with so much of experience in the industry, our relationship with the industry has developed further because of my other roles as Vice President of the Association of Food and Classified Hotels of Kerala, elected Vice President of the Kerala Travel Mart Society, and I have been in the tourism industry of Kerala for the past more than 17, 18 years, and I have been there, and everybody in the industry as well as at the educational field knows me. I would like to leverage my experience and my knowledge and my interaction with the industry to get industry experts to come to the college and conduct classes, talk to the students, explaining their experience in the industry and what is expected of our students in the industry. And we would like to develop a very cordial relationship with all the factors of the industry and educational field, help the universities and AICTE and other universities to develop the curriculum as per the requirement of the hospitality industry, convert myself into a leader and a torch bearer in taking the education, hospitality education to the next level in the institute as well as in the industry.
Really great answer you have given. It's really helpful for the students who seeking to admission or aspiring to be student in your institute. So it's really, sir, once again, thank you for the accepting the invitation and giving the wonderful answers for the students and guiding that and providing the vision of the institute that how they can approach their students and their vision and their goals, sir. It's really helpful for the students, sir. Thank you for the.
I would like to specifically thank you, Pathikmaji. I would like to thank College Dunia for inviting me for this talk and giving me an opportunity to talk about the Lourdes Mata Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Kutichal, Thiruvananthapuram. I would like to also sincerely thank our patron, Archbishop of Changanasheri, our chairman, Mar Thomas Tarail. I would like to individually thank Father Tommy, who is the director of the Lourdes Mata Group of Institutions. I would like to personally thank Reverend Father Tony Mundanadakel, the executive director of the Lourdes Mata Group of Institutions. I would like to sincerely thank Father Avis, who is the bursar of our institute. I would like to sincerely thank Father Nambi Madam, who is the leading light. All of them are great educationalists. All of them are great visionaries. And with their guidance and with the support of eminent faculty members and staff and principal, Mr. Ranjit Pillai, we would like to take this institute to the next level. The institute would be known not only in Trivandrum, not only in Kerala, but nationally and internationally in the coming 5 to 10 years. I would take this opportunity to thank College Dunia for taking the first step in making this institute known world over, and for all the students who are aspiring to be the hospitality professionals. Thank you very much.